be the least person I expect to see you.
Trust me. I just decided to come and see you and go immediately. I've been missing you.
You mean they go back now? Why, Kwan?
Don't worry, I'll come again. Meanwhile, there's this special bread that I bought for you.
For me?
Obiora, bread. Hey!
It's your Nkaga Towa Monte.
Hey,
Cafe Pekene. Cafe Pekene. Okay, Towa Monte. Okay? Huh? We'll talk about me about because. Hey! 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 Nukuya! Ngeji angu kwati. Ataka. Oh! Everyone them thank you. Oh, my tummy! Afomo! Oh, my tummy! Afomo! Everyone more! My tummy!
That bread was poisoned. What is that supposed to mean? Wait a minute. Oh my God. I have to inquire about this. Obiora! Obiora! Where is the boy? Where could this boy have gone to now? He's not even picking. Oh, Obiora! Obiora! Okay. Make yourself comfortable. What is it?
What? Wait. So now you in this house?
Yes, it's my house.
Now you who are you tomorrow, yeah?
Bring your voice down. Yes, it's my house.
Obiora, it's called a chandelier.
Chandelier?
Yes.
Wow, chandelier! Hey, Cheta one was a one of
Obiora, take it easy, okay? The name has changed. My name is not Cheta. It is Posh Pearl.
Posh Pearl?
Posh Pearl.
Yabo, Pierre. Ghana la chala chube?
No.
Ubejala?
No! I mean Pearl, like Pearl. Pearl, Posh Pearl.
Nyabu beja tanokan. Hey! You the person of Marachika village?
No, of course you would have to go back. You want to abandon my project in the village?
I didn't say, I don't talk about it. But you know now, see this guy house, I will leave out the go village. Go do it.
Yes. You'll need to go back, regardless. Okay?
No problem. Anything where you talk, I go do them now. Money don't day.
Take it easy. Okay?
Oh, fridge muka.
It's an air conditioner. Pure.
Air conditioner?
Yes.
Nyabon kena moya man. Who they call me a beg? Leave me a beg. I discuss something with my sister.
Why don't
Which kind of wahala be this?
Pick up your call and try to bring your voice down, please.
No offense, I beg.
Take your call. At least to know who's calling you.
You see my pick-up?
Yes, we'll continue our discussion when you're done.
Hey, Cheta. Okay, baby. Okay, baby, one them. I beg. Make I fall and talk, I beg. Everyone them.
Where have you been now? I've been calling your phone. You've not been picking.
Where when I go, no verse, I beg. I did Cheta house. He gave waiting me and Cheta they discuss now, I beg, no verse.
Okay. I just arrived the house. You need to come quickly.
Huh? You did house now? Well, you don't even tell me say they come back village. Now you go just go enter the tell me say, how they city now? No me boku nengu. I know Cheta house.
Come quickly. I need to go back.
Okay, so bad. Make I just call you back now.
What? Obiora, are you joking?
Make I call you. No verse, I beg. Make I finish with Cheta, I beg. I will call you back now. No verse,
Obiora. Are you serious? Wait. Obiora hung the phone on me because it's with Cheta. What the hell is Cheta now? Okay. I'm beginning to see reasons with what Tin and Gold told me.
Your only brother, you said? Your only brother that boasted before you that Cheta is more richer than you. Use your sense, babe.
Cheta, I will so deal with you. My mind is made up and there is no going back. Let's go.
Okay, ma'am.
You mean able to said she's in the village?
Oh, if I go and get her now, what did she just tell me now?
See?
Hey! They call me a beg and what you copy this one now?
Take it easy.
You go one and become no verse, I beg. Oh. Ebu, because let me make I call you back, I beg. Make I finish with Cheta. I go call you back. No, I beg. No verse, I beg. No verse. Thank you.
You know what? Why don't you go upstairs and freshen up? Okay? I made something really delicious. By the time you come down, we'll continue our discussion, okay?
Make I go bath.
Exactly. No, there is a heater upstairs.
Okay, heater.
Yes.
Hey! Ice cream, what do ice cream? Yeah, everything.
Yes.
Hey, I'll get it. Yeah! Hey! Because I saw that I can do some more. Hey!
Everywhere in the village. What exactly did she go to the village to do?
Okay, open mother.
What brought you to the temple at this odd time?
Queen Mother, I am troubled.
Speak, I am listening.
It's about the sacrifice you asked me to make. My sister has made it difficult for me to get access to him.
Oh. I have seen everything now. Your sister knows about your intentions. And that is why she planned to frustrate you. But don't worry. I will personally get everything you need.
Thank you, Queen Mother. I will appreciate that.
Warn your sister. Tell her to be careful so that she does not incur my wrath.
Queen Mother, I do not need to warn her. Deal with her severely if she dares you.
You can go now. I will do the rest for you.
Thank you, Queen Mother.
If you're told what it takes to be a rich person, you will say, let me continue, Paul. Owashirike, ndina no wabarabo. Wana marazi wane makifi ego. Buwe buo, bifi bieranu wa elulu chukuo. Oh, because of ego. Sacrifice it must pay before you pull ego. Plenty money, ego na yalo. I am out for the sacrifice, yo. Ego, no going back, yo. I am ready, yo.
Yeah. Oh, good Jesus. And the name is Posh, for goodness sake.
Oh, sorry, you want to go? No, sir. Sorry, oh?
It's okay.
Hey. When you think enter here now? Eh?
I just came in.
Ah.
Yes.
Okay. Cheta one Iwe wanna bigo, iwe wanna Posh pal.
Obiora, what is it?
You know, say you never tell me why you say make I stay here.
Well, I just want you to stay here for a while. Is that a problem?
But you know, say I get project for village. You are the monitor. Your project now. If I dey here, who go come the monitor the project?
Obiora, don't worry, that is not an issue. The engineer will handle it until your return.
Okay.
Yes.
Now me say the holidays are come now. Holidays come now. Eh?
Well, let's just say that you're on leave in my house.
Okwagun, who I be now? Even if you say make I day here forever, I go there now. One name about a gego, one name Bike Diego.
Obiora, you're in the city now, okay? You need to touch up a little bit. Okay?
When am I touch up?
Just, level up Yes. We'll stop with the Igbo first, okay?
Okay, not so Igbo too much.
G3. Boss. Take this later. Deliver it to the address there. Alright. G4. Lock the gate after.
Who brought this letter?
Madam, I don't see the person. I just come outside, see the letter for gate.
So you were not at the gate?
My gate at there since, madam.
Get out.
Sorry, madam.
I said get out!
Sorry.
Come on, will you get out? I don't push you. Get out! Get out!
What's going on here?
Ben, what are you doing here?
Ben, do you know this bitch?
Cheta, he's my man. And I ask again, what is he doing here?
Ben?
Hey, you! Quiet your mouth. Which can't talk with that one? Which can't only talk with that one? Who be your man? Eh? Wait, I resemble your man by emergency. If you see your man, you're not going to recognize him again. I ask you! My woman. You see this girl? She used to be my friend. But that was then. You've been working on Anleka. For how long am I going to continue like this? I've been in this city for complete 5 years. 5 good years. Yet nothing to show. Sakpa still hold me for blockers. I still never make money. Every day my people will be calling me to come back home. How can I go home? In this condition, this is my current condition. No, nah. When my mates in the village have already made it. Asapu them, Ezewi Boko them, Pofeng, Eden Namani. Men ne Mrs. Fike, now purchase want to drive in good cars. And my people want me to come to the village. No, God, it's very shameful. I have to make my own money first. If I could be there, every day they will be calling me to come back home. What will I do? Poverty, you have to leave me. Oh. You have to leave me. Oh. Look at where I'm staying. Hey, this money self, where you even dey? Where this money dey? Where people they even see this money? My friends all of a sudden, they started doing well, driving flashy cars. Some Naba village. Can even that call my mother? If I get to the village, what will I tell my mother? After 5 years in the city, I did not make it. Ben, what is the evidence? I'm even hungry. Which kind of sakpa be this, Which kind of poverty be this? Person go hustle from January to December, yet no evidence. Nothing to show that I'm a hardworking man. Now my rent is about to expire. And I have no money with me. Before you know it, this nonsense landlord will start yelling at me. Don't even say the place be like person house. Be like where fowl they sleep. I need to return my rent to must do something. You know.
What's up now?
Nah, no talk, I swear.
Man, this one your face like what's happening?
I don't get joy. I need money. Chooks, I need money.
You need money?
I'm not joking, bro. As I dey like this, Sakpa hold me for blockers. I no fit move. I no fit shake body. Wow. How man go dey like this? No money to pay for his rent. Na Johnson na. You come like say I know they try.
Baba, I know. See, this Sakpa na for everywhere. But you know what's happen? No worry. I get gist for you. Good one at that. That game what I give you yesterday, plan.
I dey tell you say I dey find money where I go use to pay my rent today. Wait, man, no ask me that thing.
You know plan.
I no play, money. Bro. I no play.
Guy, they fuck up. They fuck up. See, man, tell you, that game, you enter. I swear, me I job for that game. As I plan, man, Baba, I catch out 100K.
Hey!
Omo, you dey lose guard though. You don't play that game.
Now this thing I dey talk. How person go try to dey elevate, but devil go dey behind and try to dey drag am like I pass my neighbor.
Ben low, no be devil matter. This thing, see.
So you that game enter?
You enter, but see, no lily. See, wetin go happen? Baba drop this thing, more go, ma just give you one bottle.
I no understand. No choose, I no can understand. And they tell you say I dey find money where I go use to pay my rent. Maybe you go buy me which one bottle? Which one be one bottle?
Ben, you too dey worry. We go discuss this thing later. Just drop this one first.
Chooks, give me money. Give me money, make I pay my rent.
Drop am first.
My problem, I go still deal with my problem. You know, say if I go drink finish, come back now. When the drink come up from my eye, I go still remember say I get problem. No, just give me money, man, solve my problem first.
Okay, no worry.
If you want us to drink one carton, I will.
We'll go settle down. Just drop this one first.
No, you cash out.
Baba, you don't trust me. Now me
Vasami na choose.
Don't worry, I go run now. Just drop and now. I'm go now. Just go somewhere. I'm just run now. Drop this thing, go. Man, I will give you one bottle.
No. You want give me money like this?
Don't worry, drop and. Wait. Don't they make this thing show for your body? Come, my guy.
House help, 40,000. Cook, 45,000. Cleaner, 35,000. Security, 30,000. Free accommodation and free feeding. Thai state make I go dey cook. How they go dey pay security 30,000? Security wey go mount for gate 247. Now they won't go dey pay 30,000 naira. Omo me I no dey this one o. Now cook I go cook 45K. Try and be this. Chinese restaurant need workers. Chef 50,000. I first talk and say na cook I go dey cook na. Then they have 50,000. Supervisor 45. Security again. That no. Now this one I go. This Chinese restaurant. Make I go cook better food for them. You shouldn't do this motor phone whereby. Hey, Jesus. Okay, now no wahala now. Free food and accommodation. Okay, this one are their number. 090 672 672. Omo, this thing no gree enter. It be like na to tear and come out. Like sure, Bernard. For now, my name na Ben 10, Ben the Polanle. Come where you? No, they address me as your man. Oh, see how she be.
Well, you two heard him. Now take your filthy selves out of my house. Now.
And what was the meaning of this letter you sent?
Mook. Since when your name become Tina? Why are you the one asking me about the letter I sent to her?
Cheta, you are treading on a dangerous path.
Auntie, shut up. So you look me finish, you dey threaten me. Ogbeni, you no get sense, Abi? No, I be like who you go threaten. You two take yourself out of my house. Get out!
Cheta, do you know why I am not making a move against you right now? Because she's your blood sister. But with what you've displayed here and now, trust me, girl, I am coming after you.
Ooh. Olopa, you come my house, they threaten me. For your mind, if you enter my caban, the yarn nonsense. Change the crease. Make una to move. No, as I look una na mona delete. Two of una. Get out!
They go your ass now.
Una sleeping. G4! Boss. Come and move these idiots out of my house.
Mona dey go. Throw away these things to my house. Mona don't hear am now. Mona dey match. Mona dey match. I don't want push person.
Ben 10. Do you know you were actually trying to calm my nerves? Before these nitwits found your way into my home.
Mona dey waka now.
Morgana, you need to explain to me how this fool stuff is.
You dey describe me as your man. You tell you, you want me to love your man.
Tina, the insult has gotten out of hand. The earlier we put this together, the better for us. Man, she's so lucky I wasn't there. I would have given her blue and black. Good. You should have seen the way that girl insulted me. Gosh. She even asked her puppets to throw me out of her house.
I've really suffered.
Gosh.
I've suffered. You needed to see the magnitude of what I endured.
Ebube, you are the cause of all this.
How am I the cause?
For Christ's sake, she is your sister. If only you had cautioned her.
And so what? As if you were not here when the whole thing started.
Ebube, she is your sister.
Okay. Go ahead and blame me.
I blame you.
And blame me.
I blame you.
Blame me all you can.
I blame you. Both of you, please shut up. I want to think.
Idiot.
I'm out of here.
Tina, you need to warn this girl what the way she likes. Can you imagine?
Ebube, please get out. I want to think.
You must give. You have sold your soul for more power.
Don't lay your hand on him. And who are you to stop me? Leave my sight now! Leave! And I said no. I am here to protect him. I will not let you use him for sacrifice. How dare you? Stop me. I will not warn you again. Leave my sight. Now! And I said no! This is just the beginning. Next time you challenge me, you will be dead.
Jesus! Ah, Jesus! Jesus! Ah, Jesus!
What is it?
Headache. Ah!
Headache. Calm down.
Your head. My head.
Calm down. Just take a deep breath. You're having a headache.
Headache. You see what?
Headache.
Water.
Okay, I'll get makeup, but just stay put, okay? I'll be back. Just
water. Ah!
father.
How dare she challenge me? How dare she? That boy must die for causing me such a huge embarrassment. Great Queen Mother, did you succeed? Can't you read the handwriting on the wall? I failed tonight. That boy must be sacrificed to this altar.
What is that? There is no need for you to point this gun at me. Go in there and tell your boss I want to see her.
And who do we have here?
How many times I don't warn you, sir, I don't want to see this animal for my house?
Boss, she insisted she wants to talk to you.
Cheta, I have come to see you concerning the young man I met in your house. Yes. What about him? He's my man. This will not be like the issue you had with your sister. I will not warn you again. Stay away from that man.
Excuse me, are you threatening her?
I wasn't talking to you. I tell you, you see that guy? You see that man? That man is mine. Read my lips. I do not want to see you anywhere around that young man. They cannot smell your body odor anywhere around now. Do you hear me?
I'm sure you have ears and you heard her. Now, bounce off. Move it! Move it!
I will not warn you again.
Come.
Now take this word to my sister. Tell my sister I said she would never, ever touch my brother. Carry this your big nash, come off my compound.
Get out!
Get away!
Get your silly ass out of my house. Get out of here, you bitch! Fighting over a man who rejected you.
Disembark! Come on, disembark or it's an allow that place.
To the moon in exchange of money. You must give unconscious. You have sold your soul for no power in exchange.
Those idiots. I will deal with them one after the other. I will pay dearly for making mockery of me. Ben!
What do you want?
I want to talk to you.
Talk to me about what? I told you it's over between us.
I need to speak to you privately. Ben, come!
Madam, respect yourself. I've respected you enough. Leave my fiancé alone. What does this one say?
How dare you?
How dare you what?
Which fiancé? This one? So he didn't tell you about his new baby mama?
Hey, listen. You have to leave us now. Alright?
So he didn't tell you he left him for someone richer? He didn't tell you?
Babe, what is she talking about?
Baby, don't mind this idiot. She's lying. It never happened. It's over between us. Let me be. Let's go.
It's not over. Ben, listen. I will not allow Cheta to take you away from me. Ben! Ben!
What is the meaning of this? What are you doing in my house?
Go down. On your knees.
Ebube, drop that gun. Are you out of your mind? What is wrong with you?
Listen, I have had enough from you. Where is Obiora?
Obiora is not here. He has gone back to the village.
You lie! Where is he? Or do you want me to pull the trigger?
Ebube, you need to drop that gun. I am your sister, for goodness sake. You want to end up killing every member of the family?
Save that sermon for your next life. Because I'm going to shoot you right here and now. If you do not tell me where he is. Where is Obiora?
Like I said, he's gone. Back to the village.
I am going to count 3. And if you don't tell me where he is, I will shoot you. 1! 2! You don't. Hey! Here you are. Now move over here. We are going to the village now. Hey, move! Don't test my patience.
What be this one now? What be this one now?
You need to stop.
I'm going to shoot you. I am not joking with you. Move now.
You don't have to.
Move! I'm going to shoot you.
You don't have to do this.
Move!
Ebube! 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 Shit! Ebube!
The dream you had last night will come to pass in no due time.
Queen Mother, please. We need to do something. I don't want to lose my brother. I'm willing to do anything to save his life, please.
We cannot stop them.
Ha! Queen Mother, we have to look for a way to stop them. There must be a way out.
There is only one way to stop your sister. It's by you using your brother for your own sacrifice.
What?
Your brother is not safe as long as he's still alive. Instead of losing him to the Black Queens, let's use him to your own advantage for more riches and wealth.
What are you doing?
I'm leaving this house.
Why?
Why? Why? Every time you keep asking why. Is it not obvious? Why? Why? Every time you keep asking why.
Stop.
Ben,
stop.
I'm done with you. Go and meet those your baby mamas. And leave me alone.
Babe, don't listen to what Tina said. I'm not dating Cheta. I only worked for her.
I wasn't even expecting you to say the truth of Thank you. Ben, thank you. I'm done. I'm not doing this again. Thank you.
Baby, you know I love you so much.
Die.
If you leave me, I will
Die.
I won't let you go. No.
Ben, I'm not joking with you.
But I won't let
I'm not joking.
You know you are the love of my life.
Love of your life.
Baby.
She has no joy at all. Now she is in the game. She has paid the sacrifice needed. Right now, she's in the game.
Cheta?
Bad choice.
Cheta?
Vera, what is it?
Cheta, what be the problem?
Does it look like I have a problem?
Cheta, couldn't keep way me to get in a coach and not go check out that in not walking.
I'm fine, there's nothing wrong with me. Are you still leaving tomorrow?
I won't go. My shop done dey lock for 3 weeks now. Nobody did. I won't go no waiting they happen for my shop.
Alright. I'll go with you.
Huh? You said?
I said I will go with you.
Why?
Well, let's just say I want to know how far the contractor has gone with the project. Do you have a problem with that?
Well, you never tell me what's be the problem, Cheta.
Obiora,
You never tell me what's
I said I am fine.
No be like this, they take behave. I go, they call you, when they call you, Cheta, you no go hear me. I go, come touch you, you go do like this.
Obiora, I said I am fine. What's your problem? Meanwhile, we're leaving very early tomorrow morning. So make sure you are ready in the morning.
Very early. Why you go want make we leave in the morning? Very early, kwa?
Obiora, I beg you in God's name. Be ready in the morning.
Cheta.
Don't forget, remember, everything has a price. You cannot
Let's see again what's in there happen.
and have it again.
And Cheta no won't tell me.
Cheta.
Who are you? And how did you get in here?
Why do you want to kill your brother after killing your father?
Who are you? Who sent you here?
Do not bother about my identity. What will you gain by killing your own brother?
If you do not tell me who you are, I'll throw you out this minute.
Wealth, riches, fame. That is all you care about. I thought your motive was to liberate your family from poverty.
Get out of this place now. Get out!
Ebube.
You even know my name?
Be warned. The wages of sin is death.
You again?
You have perfected your plans and you think it will work out for you.
Who are you and what do you want from me? What? What is it?
Why do you bother to know who I am, but you are not bothered about the message I gave you?
Tell whoever sent you that I am not intimidated by you. I am not!
Good day, boss. G3. Yes, boss. Put some drink in the glass. I am relieving you of your duties. Boss, what happened? Nothing. I'll be going on a trip and I wouldn't want anybody to be here until I return.
Boss, what are they?
There is no problem. I don't just want anybody to be here until I return. G3. Yes, boss. Take one of the envelopes. G4. Boss. In there is some cash. I want you to hold on to that until I return.
Thank you, boss.
Thank you, boss. You're welcome.
But I hope there's no problem, boss.
Like I said earlier, no problem. Make sure to drop your guns before you leave.
Okay. Thank you so much, boss. G3, I know sure say everything there alright though. Even me too. I don't think everything is alright. But all the same, we just have to do as she said.
The dream you had last night will come to pass in no due time.
Queen Mother, please. We need to do something. I don't want to lose my brother. I'm willing to do anything to save his life, please.
We cannot stop them.
Ha! Queen Mother, we have to look for a way to stop them. There must be a way out.
There is only one way to stop your sister. It's by you using your brother for your own sacrifice.
What?
Your brother is not safe as long as he's still alive. Instead of losing him to the Black Queens, let's use him to your own advantage for more riches and wealth.
Don't forget, remember, everything has a price. You cannot eat your cake and have it again.
There is no way I am going to sacrifice my own brother. I'd rather give up everything I have. God. Just how do I begin to explain this to Obiora? How do I tell him that I used our own mother for rituals? What is going on? I cannot let him know what is going on. I definitely have to just look for a way to go about this. I can't do this. I can't.
Cheta?
Yes?
Who did you follow Tom?
Nobody.
Cheta, you never get yourself since morning. What's be the problem? Talk to me.
Obiora, I am fine. Are you ready?
I'm not ready. Cheta?
Obiora, what is it?
Cheta, you get what you know and tell me. Cheta?
Obiora, everything is fine.
You get what you know and tell me.
I said everything.
Your brother.
I need a minute, please.
Cheta. Cheta.
What are you two doing in my house? Are you deaf for something? Now you two don't act dumb with me. What are you doing in my house? What are you doing here? Get I wouldn't let you take him away from here. I will take him. Because he belongs to me. He doesn't belong to you. What are you doing here? Don't touch him. His soul belongs to my kingdom. You lie. His soul belongs to me and me alone! And I said no!
Black Queens?
We shall reign forever.
Go inside there and get him. He is in there. Get him now!
Let no one touch him.
Who are you? Who are you to stop me? Get out of my way or I will destroy you.
Now! You cannot destroy me. I have come to save this family from your bondage.
Little girl, how dare you challenge me? Look at my face. Are you not scared? Look at me very well. You are not scared?
You cannot destroy me. I am the goddess of their ancestors. And now receive your punishments.
Sacrifice it must be before Bulego. Plenty money, I am out for the sacrifice, Ego, no going back, I am ready. Sacrifice it must be before Bulego. Plenty money, I am out for the sacrifice, Ego, no going back, I am ready.
Nah. Have you been talking those things?
No. Obiora and Cheta is not back.
Obiora brought Cheta back this afternoon.
How?
That is what I heard. I want to go to that place to find out what is going on.
If Obiora brought Cheta back this afternoon, that means something is wrong.
Let me get there and we'll find out what is going on. If you want to come with me.
Uncle, wait, let me follow you.
So now what's happening? Obiora, are you saying that Ebube and Cheta were cultists? Now, tell me, what happened after that?
Ebube ran away. So after that, Cheta can wake up. As I see her, I know say Cheta no go survive her before she can begin confess.
Tell me about the confession.
Ebube saying I kill my papa.
Eh?
Why Cheta talk saying that she kill my mother?
Hey! Wait, do you know the gravity of what you're telling me, Obiora?
Uncle, what did I tell you now? That the gospel truth. I don't feel like give you. They don't use my parents to ritual. They won't even use me to do ritual, but Cheta no gree. And now what you cause quarrel between two of them. Uncle, I beg, Forgive me for the accusation saying that you killed my parents. I beg, forgive me. Forgive me, please. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I've forgiven you, okay? It's just that your sisters made a terrible mistake. Huh? But I'm forgiving all of you, okay? Sit down. Let's talk. Okay? On my side too, I want to apologize. I didn't do well at all. The way I treated your family, no, it wasn't right. So I'm equally sorry, okay?
No problem.
But meanwhile, we will make arrangements to bring Ibube's corpse from the city so that we can bury her.
Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you, Uncle. Thank you. May God bless you.
It's all right. Please sit down.
Thank you.
Obiara! What is going on? Obi! Chief! Is this Obi? Hey! Allo! Abrokwan obera allo! Allo ka allo emera lo kuda.
Sacrifice it must be before you pull go. Plenty money, ego na yalo. I am out for the sacrifice, yo. Ego, no going back, yo. I am ready, yo. Sacrifice it must be before you pull go.